Oh. Monster check. Today we're gonna be installing the Armytrix full Turboback system. The reason why this exhaust is a really cool, unique install is because I'm basically debuting the downpipe section of it. And they have the downpipes in two different little parts. You've got the actual downpipe itself, and then it goes to the other piece. And the reason why it's in two pieces before it goes to the mid section, I'll have to show you guys later. Actually, before we start going, look how dark. Hold on. I had Pro Shield come and do some tint. Look how much it changes the car. And look at the truck. Hold on. Look at my truck. Yo! Party van, bro. It's a limo. All right, let's stop wasting time. Let's go ahead and get started. And of course, you know, the Germans got to do some fancy, weird crap. And they've got a brace for their brace for their brace. So you got a brace here, which has pillows for the exhaust, dog. Like, for the exhaust. Another brace here, and then this weird brace right here. I went ahead and started taking some stuff off just to hold all that, but it also somewhat braces the chassis. And then it's got a damper right here. So I've got to take all of this stuff off, and then once all this is off, hopefully everything comes off pretty smoothly. This is my second Mercedes exhaust to do. Not really super stoked about it because they got some weird stuff, but hopefully this goes smoothly. Here's a little comparison of the OE and then the Armytrix. Doing a catback on these cars really doesn't make a huge difference. The piping is incredibly similar in sizing. This is just a little bit higher quality stainless with a better flowing and probably a better sounding quiet mode. The biggest thing on these cars is going to be the downpipes. These have some massive Johnnies, dude. Some big freaking milkers right here in the middle of the exhaust, dude. These are gonna be what quiets down the exhaust the most. Getting these off is going to be interesting. That'll work. So here's the weird thing. Here's like the weird part about doing downpipes on this car. There's two ways to do it. Let me show you. If you look up here, like it goes up to the turbo. You see it goes up to the turbo. There's two ways to do this. You can either remove the transmission or you can just cut. And so I went to the store and got the tool for the job. So I ain't doing a damn thing. I gotta get a different blade. That's for thin metal. No, this is supposed to be for like the big stuff.
Turn up the juice.
Turn up the juice, bro. Oh, we were at 4, dude. We're gonna be on the high boost map now.
Oh, snap.
This is terrible. What the hell? Who's men's? Who told me this was a good idea? It's like literally. Wow! Oh!
Look at that blade. Oh.
Ow, dude. She's seen better days. Actually, we could probably reuse that.
Look like a scientist.
Yeah? I'm just the doctor of cars. Just the old school twisty.
Nice.
So what's funny is like, the downpipes are worth nothing, but odds are whatever's in this catalytic converter is probably worth more than like the stock exhaust itself. This cat makes the car so quiet. I'm so excited to hear what it's gonna sound like. How am I supposed to reach that one? Dude! Not one time in my life have I ever said, oh, good idea, Germans. You guys did a really good job putting this bolt right here. Daddy got it. How the hell do you get this out now?
It's getting cut.
Boy,
right there.
These Germans are just a bunch of dicks, bro.
10 mil?
Yeah, where did it go? That's really not good. Where'd it go? Dude, I just lost a 10 mil. Oh. That's a long ball. This is the worst. This is not fun. Oh, hold up. Let's go. Let's go!
Got the 10 mil back.
Got the 10. Who did this? Now how do I get it off? Oh, so there's two huge cats. These are cats as well. Like, yeah, no wonder this car gets so loud whenever you do downpipes. The upside is, I don't think there's any other job in my life I could do that's less comfortable than this. So I'm kind of like on the downhill slide now. It's actually too long. I need a shorter one now. Just too long. I think he's ready to come out. Maybe. I say that. Oh no, I still gotta get this. Oh, I'm definitely cutting myself for this down.
Oh, oh.
Oh, I already I did break it. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, dude. No, don't look at that. There you go. Look at that. Oh, okay. Please, 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 please. She's a coming! Come on! Yeah!
Nice.
Oh, that was the worst. I don't know how I'm gonna get the next one out, but I'm feeling good now.
Look at all that space.
Look at all this. Look, it was this guy's fault. The downpipes are bracketed together. They're bracketed to the transmission, bolted to the transmission. Now, I might be able to twist this guy out. Maybe I spoke too soon. Unless I cut it. Which I might.
So there is a way.
Dude, like, I might have to cut this again. The problem is right now it needs to twist.
It's so close. Look at how far out it is.
Close, dude. Oh, dude. Yeah. It's crude, but when you finally win, you always gotta the inanimate objects gotta know who's daddy. All right. I'm going to bed. That is for this side. So here we go. Looky there, dude. And it's like it was supposed to happen. Money. How long have we been doing this? How long have we been doing the downpipe thing, you think? Like 2 hours? An hour and a half?
I don't know.
A long time?
Yeah, a very long time.
The fact that this just goes right in. Oh, I'm so happy, but wow. Unreal, bro. Unreal. Let's go. All right, holy crap, it's done. I guess I got a couple more things to buckle up, but check this out. This exhaust looks incredible. Gotta get Tito to come back now. This is the second day. I was so tired last night. I had so much more to do that I went ahead and just waited till today. I needed to get some stuff from the store anyways. So, all right, we've got the full exhaust on. I've got my chassis bracing and all that kind of stuff back on. I've still got to put those little doohickeys back, but I wanted you guys to see the full exhaust. It looks so killer from down here, bro. Like, insane. I love that nice, shiny Armytrix, nice stainless. It looks so much better. I mean, obviously you're never really under the car, but it is nice coming under here and like looking at this and seeing that it's just shiny and well made. This is awesome. These downpipes are fire. I'm really excited to hear this car start up. I'm gonna do a couple more tweaks and we're gonna get her fired up. It's vacuum based, so I ran the vacuum lines pretty cleanly. I actually did it inside of the heat shield for the most part, all the way back here, and then it tees off to right there, and then it goes to both of the valves. So it's kind of cool. They actually gave us a little plug to basically, I hope, to trip the factory exhaust changing thingy, whatever it's called. But yeah, this thing's badass. O2 sensors on, and look how good this looks. Got the vacuum lines run like I showed you a second ago. I really tried, and I couldn't find a good place to go through the firewall, to tap through the firewall and put the wires inside of the car. I'm honestly just really eager to get this car running and like, I wanna hear it. I'll figure it out another time. So right now, I'm really just, this is jank, but I'm just running it right here just so that I can test the valves out, see if it works. All I've gotta do at this point is get this guy hooked into my OBD, and this little plug right here is what this blue wire goes to. Okay, it's plugged in so we can at least hear it. With every Armytrix, you have a remote, and you can go through, I can't remember which one is which. I wanna say, I'm just gonna start making stuff up. I don't know. One of them's loud. I don't know if it's like naturally open or closed. I wanna say it's open.
I'm about to lose my hearing.
No, it should be that loud. I think it's open because of the vacuum hooking it up correctly, but we'll see.
Sounds good. That sounds good.
No exhaust leaks.
Yay!
That's closed.
That's closed.
That's open.
There you go.
You guys have heard what the quiet sounds like. We don't need to hear it anymore. Let's hear how raw it is. This thing sounds absolutely disgusting in a really good way. I cannot wait to hear what it's like driving. Oh yeah. Oh man. Yeah, dude! Patiently awaits check engine light to come up. My tune for this is on the way. I got an E-tune, so I've got to be a little careful. When you do downpipes, you naturally creep boost a little higher. This engine can definitely handle it. I'm pretty sure it's good to about 900 horsepower, but you know, boost creep, different AFRs, even though this thing probably has a lot of correction. Gotta be a little careful, but we'll send it a couple times and then I'll probably get a check engine light. That's crazy, dude. Oh my God. There you go, sir. Big thanks to my boy Tito. He's the one that filmed the gender reveal stuff. He did a really good job. So I wanted to have him out for something that was a little like an install or something like that, just to see what he could add to the channel. So if you guys liked what he did, let us know. I'll put his link, his channel link in the description. Sinchi Productions. You can check out the stuff that he does. And for my German guys out there, we finally made the Benz Laut. Lauter, Lautesten, whatever you want me to say. We did it with Das Downpipes. Actually, you guys told me it's Die Downpipes. So Die Downpipe made it Lautesten. Made it Lautesten. Armytrix, a huge thanks to them. I'm the first person to ever run their downpipe exhaust system. I think it's gonna be available for sale soon. I kind of debuted it, I guess, and that's a pretty cool deal. Like that's a huge deal. We've been working on the channel for a long time to be able to do stuff like that, and like the fact that we get that opportunity, that's sick. So big thanks to them. I'll leave a link for you guys to check out Armytrix in the description as well. Oh yeah, the slammed life. Yes, sir. My daily advice for you guys today to end this video up is don't get discouraged by big obstacles. Don't fool yourself into thinking that you're not good enough. You don't have it, whatever you might be trying to accomplish or overcome, guys. Your biggest mental block or your biggest obstacle is right here. People that have changed the world, people that have gone to the moon, the richest people in the world, you know, whatever you want to say, they're all normal people. They're all just like us. They're all just like you and me, but the biggest thing that they have in common aside from hard work is really like overcoming this, because this will stop you in a lot of things. So I challenge you to go headstrong into the thing that you think you might not be able to do today. Super excited that we got the opportunity to do this. Man, this car looks good with tint. This car now sounds as good as it looks. The next moves for this car is wheels, suspension, and body kit, and wrap. You guys have an amazing day, and I'll catch you around. Peace. I forgot to, oh, I just turned my camera off. I almost forgot to do the outro. Hey, make sure you subscribed and hit those notifs. And also you can, watch one of those 2 videos I got right in front of you. That'll make your life better.